Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best floor cleaning mops is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools in your home. From hardwood to tile, the right mop can make all the difference in keeping your floors spotless. In this video, we'll dive into the world of floor mops, exploring different types, features, and what to consider when choosing the perfect one for your home. Number 5. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Floor Cleaning Kit. Tired of multiple cleaning tools? This kit combines a broom and mop in one. It's a convenient solution for your everyday cleaning needs. The dry sweeping cloths are designed to capture dirt, dust, and hair effectively. The cloths trap and lock away messes, leaving your floors clean. The wet mopping cloths are pre-moistened to dissolve dirt and grime. It's safe for various floor types, making cleaning simple. Use it on tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring. It's a versatile tool for different surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean. Asterisk: do not use on unfinished, oiled or waxed wooden boards, non-sealed tiles or carpeted floors because they may be water sensitive. Perfect for small spaces like apartments and dorm rooms. It's lightweight and easy to store, saving you space and time. The uniquely designed mopping cloths trap dirt deep within. This ensures that the dirt doesn't get re-released onto your floor as you clean. Assembling the sweeper is simple. Just click the poles together and attach the cloth. You'll be ready to clean in no time. Buy with confidence. If you're not satisfied, there's a money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. What we like? This Swiffer is a great choice if you want a versatile cleaning solution. It combines sweeping and mopping in one tool, saving you time and space. If you live in a small apartment or dorm, this compact and easy-to-store mop is perfect for you. What people say. This 2-in-1 broom mop combo is so easy. Dry cloths snatch up dust and hair like magic, and the wet ones blast through grime in minutes. It's lightweight, perfect for my tiny apartment, and assemblies a snap. The dry and wet pads work well, picking up dust and leaving a fresh, pleasant scent after mopping. Number 4. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. This innovative steam mop uses the natural power of heated steam. It's perfect for homes with children and pets, offering chemical-free cleaning. Quickly steam clean your hardwood floors and tile. You can also use it as a carpet cleaner or a steam mop for laminate floors. It includes a measuring cup and funnel for easy water filling. Detach the steamer for clothes or use it as an upholstery cleaner. It's lightweight and removes wrinkles quickly. Simply hang your clothes and steam them. The mop head swivels to reach around furniture. The washable mop cloths are designed for carpet cleaning too. The handle collapses for easy storage. The electric mop comes with various accessories, including brushes, nozzles, and a carpet glider. These tools make it easy to clean various surfaces and tight spaces. What we like? If you're looking for a deep clean without harsh chemicals, this PurSteam mop is ideal. It uses the power of steam to sanitize your floors and can also be used as a handheld steamer for clothes and upholstery. If you have kids or pets, this chemical-free cleaning solution is a great option. What people say. You can use the hand canister and get so many messes and dried-on stuff. Your walls, your counters, cabinets, your oven, dishwasher and on. This item is brilliant. Not a gimmicky jet of steam, it's the real deal. Light, quick, powerful. Oh man, I wish I'd purchased yonks ago. Found very useful product. Not only we can use it to steam mop floors, but also steam clean bathrooms, countertops, basins, refrigerators, pillows, beds, fans, bathrooms. First and foremost, it is super lightweight. There's hardly any wait time. You turn it on and this puppy is ready to go within a matter of seconds, not minutes. It has all the attachments already with it. The handle folds down, so it's compact. Also it lifts away to use as a handheld steamer for steaming things like mattresses and curtains and couches. But the best thing about this guy is the cord. It's crazy long. First off, I'll clean my hardwood kitchen floors. Excellent job, even my husband noticed. It was done in half the time and was better than a Swiffer and has left no streaks. Next day I'll clean my windows, inside and out. Took half the time to get them sparkling and streak-free. I also used it on the window ledges and baseboards. Easy peasy. I'm embarrassed by how much dirt came up. The cord is long enough for indoor use. Product is of very good quality, comes with multiple features when compared to a simple steam mop. Number 3. Spray mop with refillable bottle and microfiber pads. Introducing the spray mop, a revolutionary way to clean your floors. This mop makes cleaning easier than ever before. Simply fill the bottle, spray, and mop. No batteries are needed. The rotating head helps it reach any area. The mop head has excellent absorption, leaving no streaks or puddles. It ensures a perfect clean every time. Say goodbye to heavy buckets and cumbersome mops. This lightweight design makes mopping a breeze, even for kids. This mop features a sturdy pole and impact-resistant mop head. It's designed for long-term use and durability. The package includes the mop, a refillable bottle, 3 microfiber pads, and a scraper. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like? This spray mop is designed for convenience. Simply fill the bottle, spray, and mop. The rotating head makes it easy to reach any area, and the lightweight design makes cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to clean your floors, this is the one for you. Number 2. Beyoco Microfiber Spray Mop. This innovative mop makes floor cleaning easy and simple. It features an upgraded sealed reservoir, preventing leaks and ensuring a smooth cleaning experience. The premium long handle eliminates the need for bending, saving your back. Made with high-quality materials, it's comfortable to hold and built to last. You can easily spray water with a press of the trigger. The mop head rotates 360 degrees, reaching every corner of your home. It's perfect for cleaning walls, windows, ceilings, and even those hard-to-reach areas, leaving your space spotless. This mop comes with 3 washable microfiber pads. These pads quickly absorb dirt and dust. You can easily switch them out for wet or dry cleaning. Simply fill the 400 ml bottle with water and add your favorite cleaning solution. It's ready to shine your floors. Remember, it's normal to find a small amount of water inside the pipe as it was tested before packaging. The mop is brand new, and may contain a small amount of water from testing. Avoid strong chemicals, dilute thick solutions, and clean the bottle and nozzle after use. If you have any issues, please contact us. Beyoco spray mops are guaranteed to be 100% brand new. If you receive a used product, please contact us immediately. We are here to help. What we like? This microfiber spray mop is designed for ease of use and efficiency. The upgraded sealed reservoir prevents leakage, and the long handle reduces back strain. If you want to clean every corner of your house with ease, you should consider this. What people say. The mop is lightweight and maneuverable, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas like under furniture and in corners. The spray mechanism is simple to operate, providing a fine mist of cleaning solution with just a press of the handle. The microfiber pads are highly effective at capturing dirt and grime. This mop works well on a variety of floor types, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. There are 3 large machine washable pads that attach securely to the mop and distribute the cleaning solution around the floor. I love that it comes with 3 mop rag or whatever you want to call it, so you can switch them out and reuse them. It's perfect if you have laminate floor or concrete floor, just spray and go. Number 1. CLDREAM Spray Mop with 800 ml Refillable Bottle. Introducing the CLDREAM Spray Mop, featuring an extra-large 800 ml water tank. This means less refilling and more cleaning, making your life easier. The mop's connection is specially crafted to prevent leaks. The ergonomic handle and new liquid release device make cleaning simple and comfortable. Just pull the trigger, and you're ready to go. The large mop head and flexible swivel allow this mop to reach any corner, even under furniture. You can also use it to clean walls and windows. It's designed for maximum convenience. This mop comes with 2 types of washable pads, a chenille pad for dry mopping and a microfiber pad for wet mopping. It gives you the flexibility to handle any cleaning task. Each mop includes a scrubber to remove stubborn stains. If you have any questions, our customer service is available 24/7. We're here to help. Please note that a small amount of water may remain in the bottle from testing. Avoid strong detergents, and always dilute cleaning solutions. Clean the bottle and nozzle after each use to keep it in good condition. What we like? This spray mop is designed for efficiency and convenience. The large water tank means you don't have to refill as often, and the 360 degrees rotating head makes it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. If you have a large area to clean, this mop's large capacity will save you time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.